Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and doing great. I know you all are very busy preparing for your half yearly exams, isn't it? So today we will revise our English exam. Today we will revise for our English exam. So now your English exam will be your subjective test and it will be of 30 marks. Now in the exam you will have three sections, children. Yes, you will have three sections: section A, section B and section C. Section A will be your reading, section B will be your grammar and section C will be your literature. So are you ready to revise? Let us start with section A. So children, now let us start with section A. Section A is your picture reading. Can you see the picture? Yes. And what is picture reading? Picture reading is that you have to see the picture very carefully, and there will be few questions which will be asked relating to the picture. You have to answer those questions. Now can you see a picture on the screen? Now, yes, what all do you see on in the picture? You see that how many children are there, what all the children are doing, which season is it. Yes, so now let us answer those questions. First question is, how many people are there in the picture? Now you have got a help box also, so you can take the help from the help box and write down the answer. So, first question, how many people are there in the picture? Second question is, name the season in the picture. You can see very well, you can see the season in the picture. So, now you have to give the answer. How many umbrellas are there in the picture? Again, you need to see the number of umbrellas and then write it down. How many girls are there in the picture? Yes, the picture is very neat and you know how many girls are there in the picture. So now you all must have thought of the answers. Yes? Now let us see whether whatever you thought is correct or not. Yes. Now, first question was, how many people are there in the picture? You can just write four, or you can write the answer in the full sentence. That four people are there in the picture. If you see and count, how many people are there? There are four people. So the answer will be four people are there in the picture. Or children, you can just write four. Okay, now the second question, name the season in the picture. It is very clear, isn't it? Yes, it is a rainy season. So you can answer just rainy season, or you may write down it is the rainy season. How many umbrellas are there in the picture? Yes, C question says, how many umbrellas are there in the picture? Count them and tell me. Yes, two umbrellas. So you can just write the answer two, or you may write down there are two umbrellas in the picture. Now, D question says, how many girls are there in the picture? Again, count the number of girls in the picture. So, the answer is there are three girls in the picture, or you just write down three. So, children, what did you notice? That I did not copy the question. See, where the answers are written, I just wrote question one and I just have written the answers. You will also do it in the same way. You will not copy the questions, you will just write down the answers A, B, C, and D. Okay, now let us move to section B. Section B is your grammar, children. So, what is the first part of section B? Write the opposite genders of the following. You all have revised genders, isn't it? Yes, genders were given and you have revised all the gender. So, you have to write the opposite gender of father: lion, sir, and son. So now let us see the answers. Father opposite gender is mother. Lion is lioness. Sir is madam. Son is daughter. And children, you have to be very careful in writing down the answers. Yes, you have to write the correct numbering and here the spelling also. You have to take care of the spelling. For example, mother, lioness, madam, daughter. You have to learn the spellings nicely and then write it down. Otherwise, your marks will be deducted. Okay, so you have to learn the genders very nicely. Next is plural, singular, plural. Singular is one, plural means more than one. So now you have to write the plural of the following. Yes, boy, box, table, foot. Yes, children, you all know when do we put S and when do we put ES. Okay, so now let us see the answers. Yes, boy is boys. Box is boxes. Now, box word is ending with X. And we know when the words are ending with X, S, SS, SH, CH, Z, then we add ES at the end. Right? So, boy, boys. Box, boxes. Table, tables. Foot, feet. Yes, have you written the same answers? Okay, so now let us move to next part. Now we are coming to section D. And section D is your literature, children. Yes, only one chapter is coming, Janki the rabbit. So you have to read the chapter thoroughly from the book. And how many times will you read the chapter? Three times. Yes. So now let's see true or false. Yes. Now the first sentence is Janki is the name of the rabbit. Is Janki name of the rabbit? Think and tell me. If it is correct, you will write true. And if you think it is false, then you will write false. Yes. So the first sentence is Janki is the name of the rabbit. And the second sentence is monkeys and squirrels can climb trees. I repeat, monkeys and squirrels can climb trees. Now let us see the answers. You must have thought the answer. Yes, now let us see what is the correct answer. Yes, Janki is the name of the rabbit. So it is true. And the second sentence, monkeys and squirrels can climb trees. This is also true. So you will just write down the answers. You will not copy the questions. And the answers are true, true. Yes, A and B both are true. So now let us revise fill in the blanks. First fill in the blank is Janki tried to dash up the tree. Janki tried to dash up the tree. Think of the answer. Yes. And the second sentence is they saw a dash climbing up a tree. They saw a dash climbing up a tree. Now let us see the answers, children. Yes, first is climb. Janki tried to climb up the tree. And second is they saw a monkey climbing up a tree. So the answers are climb and monkey. Now next is word meanings and you have to match the following. Yes, so the words are plugged and second word is special. Plugged. What is the meaning of the plugged? Now you have got the options also. First option say something that is not of the usual or ordinary type. Second option is to remove or take something, somebody from a place. Now you have to think, what is the answer of plugged? What is the meaning of the word plugged? Is it the first one or is it the second one? If it is the second one, then you will write A here. If you think that it is the first one, then you will write A in front of the blank. Okay, now let us see the answers. Yes, plugged. The meaning of plugged is to remove or take something, somebody from a place. So you can write A here or you may write down plugged here. Similarly, special. The meaning of special is something that is not of the usual or ordinary type. So I've written B here and you can write special also here. Okay, children, you may write special also here. So the meanings are answer is B and A. Plugged means to remove or take something, somebody from a place. Special means something that is not of the usual or ordinary type. Now, question answers. There are 4 question answers. Yes, I hope you have learned all the question answers. Let us revise. Yes, the question given in your revision sheet. What did Janki wish for? What did Janki wish for? The answer is Janki wished if she could also climb the tree and jump from one branch to another. So, children, this was your, yes, revision sheet. You have got the revision sheet. Now you will do it also. Then you will match the answers. Best of luck for your English exam. Do well. How many times will you read this chapter? 3 times. Janki the rabbit. And then picture reading. You have to see the picture very carefully and answer the questions related to the picture. Genders, there are 10 genders given in your notebook. You have to learn, yes, thoroughly, very nicely from heart. You have to learn the spellings also. Yes, so genders is over. Singular plural, yes, you have done the singular plural in your notebook as well as in your English workbook. So revise it from there. Okay, children. So bye bye now. Bye bye.